Alright guys, these are OSRAM's second generation LED bulbs called the LEDriving HL for headlight, because they also do have a fog lamp version. So these ones are not CAN bus because you need, like they do, but you need the CAN bus controller with them. So if you do need error cancelers, you have to buy those separately. But they claim to be 6000K color and plug and play. Claim to be just a brightness. Let's say there's a brightness scale on here. I'm not sure, but I do have a LUX meter, so we're going to try these out. And here's the bulb right here. It's a pretty solid piece of aluminum. The build quality is very good, as expected from OSRAM. Got some the logo down here, and then 12 volt or 20. Oh yes, that's one thing too. It also does work in 24 volt systems. But yeah, so I'm going to install these on a vehicle, and then we'll test out the brightness and the color as well.